Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good and taking good care of yourself. Well, today I'm going to talk about 6 books which you need to read in order to improve your English fluency or communication skills. Yes, you heard it right, guys. There are lots of things we need to do to pick up fluency and to improve our communication skills or to improve our English speaking skills. One of them are reading books. Reading books help us a lot. Trust me on this. When you start reading these kind of books, you will get a lot of idea and you'll get to know what you can do which will help you to improve your communication skills. These books are really a gem. I'm going to show you one such book which I read every day to get inspiration. This is one book. Apart from this, there are lot many books which I'm going to talk about in this video, from which you can get a lot of inspiration and a lot of ideas to help you improve your English communication skills. So stay tuned, stay connected and watch my entire video to know more. On that note, guys, I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section. And don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. Well, I'm going to talk about 6 books which will help you to improve your English communication skills or English fluency skills or to learn English or to improve your English speaking skills. And I'm going to tell you in detail which book has what kind of content so that it's easier for you to choose the right one for you. So for this you have to watch my entire video because I'm going to speak about different books which is suitable for different people. So you have to listen and choose the right one for you. So let's begin. The first book I'm going to talk about today is You Can Win by Shiv Khera. This is a very famous book and it has helped a lot of people. Currently, I'm also reading this book and it is really very inspiring. It is mostly about positive attitude, how to be successful in life, what are the steps you can take to be successful in life, how to set goals, self-esteem, positivity, importance of attitude, motivation, interpersonal skills, how to build a positive personality and lots more. There are lots of things in this book which is related to overall personality development, building a positive attitude, how you can be successful in life, what are the steps you can take or how those small steps will help you to grow in your life, how to develop a positive attitude, which is very important. See, attitude is very important. The right attitude or a positive attitude towards anything is very important. That is the key, guys. And if you want to master that to be successful in life, read this book. Yes, read this book and you'll get to know what I'm talking about. So if you have low self-esteem, low, confidence about speaking in English or how to develop your personality or interpersonal skills or communication skills, start reading this book. It is really going to help you how to gain confidence, how to gain positivity and lots more self-esteem, all these things. So it will help you in developing a positive attitude and to be successful in whatever you undertake. Okay, so this is a must read. Start with this. The next book I would like to recommend is How to Talk to Anyone by Leil Lowndes. Now this book has a lot of practical tips how to talk to anyone. So we all want to know this technique or this trick of how we can talk to anyone on any topic anywhere, right? We all want to do that. We all want to master that. This book has all the tips and tricks and techniques which will help you to achieve that. So it has a lot of practical tips related to conversation techniques and body language and building a rapport. It will definitely help you to make it easier to connect with people in any situation. So building rapport, what does it mean? Building rapport means when you have a conversation with people, you build a rapport. Once you build a rapport with people, then it gets very easy for you to have a conversation with that person. So building a rapport is very much required to have a good conversation with anyone, right? So that is why this book is very important in learning these skills. It is building a rapport is a skill. You won't be able to build rapport with anyone or everyone, right? But if you know the trick of or technique of building a rapport, right, then it will be much easier for you to speak anyone, anywhere, in any situation. So read this book and you get the idea of how to build a rapport and what all conversation techniques are there which will help you in having a good conversation or having a conversation in English. Okay, third one is Just Listen by Mark Goulston. Just listen. It's all about listening, how you can be an active listener, or it is mostly focused on the art of listening. This book offers strategies for enhancing listening skills and having a deeper connection, which is crucial for effective communication. Now, listening is very much essential. I always talk about listening, right? But active listening is very important. Active listening means you are understanding each word, you are paying attention to the other person very, 100%. Your focus is on that person or listening to that part of communication or conversation. So active listening is very much important. Now, it's not easy to achieve active listening, right? It always happens to all of us when somebody is talking, our mind is wandering somewhere, right? We are thinking about, oh, I'm so hungry, I want to eat something. Or if somebody is talking to you and your mind is not there, you're not focusing on that person 100%, you start getting some smell and you say, oh, this is pizza smell. Let's have some pizza after this. So your mind keeps on wandering. It happens to all of us, right? It has happened to me. It might have happened to you as well. And it happens every time. That is what you have to hold yourself back to pay attention to what is the other person speaking. That is an art again. So this book will help you to become an active listener or it will guide you on how to enhance your listening skills so that you can understand and pick up things very well. Okay, so this is another book which is a must read. The fourth one is Effective Communication by John D. Barrow. Now, as the book's name suggests, effective communication. So it has everything about how to be an effective communicator. So it contains all the content which will help you to be an effective communicator. Like it will help you in enhancing your social skills for both personal and professional interactions. Now, there are two different things. One is personal and the other is professional. So there are different settings or different environments or different, situations where people talk, right? Personal is different, professional is different. When you talk to somebody, friends, relatives, or, people on personal level, your conversation will be different. But if you talk on a professional level, your conversation will be different. So that is why you have to master both. You have to know how to talk in both the situations very well. So this book gives you an insight on overall personal and professional interactions, that how you can do that. Okay, so you learn a lot of tips and tricks and techniques on how to socialize basically. So it will help you to improve your social skills to be a good communicator or to be an effective communicator. So try reading this book as well. Another book I'm going to recommend is The Quick and Easy Way to Effective Speaking by Dale Carnegie. So as the book title suggests, The Quick and Easy Way to Effective Speaking. So you'll get in and out everything about how you can speak effectively. So this book provides practical advice on improving your public speaking or your interaction skills and how to build confidence in verbal communication. So building confidence is very important. I always talk about all these points, right? So that is why building confidence, you will get to learn how to build confidence in verbal communications and the art of public speaking basically. So you'll get all the clues, all the ideas, all the techniques which will help you in building your confidence and having a conversation with people in public. So do give it a try. Check this book out and you will get some help. Okay, on this. The last one I'm going to recommend is How to Win Friends and Influence People. This is again by Dale Carnegie. Okay, so as the book suggests, this is all about winning friends and influencing people, which means it's not about winning friends that you will get a best friend by all these techniques. It means to say that by having a conversation or interaction with people, you will win friends, right? You will get to know people, and people will start interacting with you. So this is all about this book. It will help you in relationship building. Win friends means it will help you in relationship building. You will get to know a lot of people. You get to understand people, make friends, and socialize well. So this will help you in your interpersonal skills, developing your interpersonal skills, relationship building, and it will help you to overcome your social fears. If you feel less confident in speaking in front of people, you have social fears like what people will think, how they will react to my English or anything else. So you have to read this book to know what things, what tips, tricks or techniques will help you to overcome that, and you can build up on your interpersonal skills so that you can interact with people in the best way possible and build a relationship with them and overcome social fears. Okay, so this is also a highly recommended book to start with. So guys, here I've spoken about very simple books, the basics basically. There are lots of other books who helps in negotiation and other skills as well, which is really important in your conversation. But to start with, these are the basic things you should start developing. Okay, confidence or interpersonal skills or communication skills or socializing skills. So these are very important in having a conversation. How to make friends, how to start interacting with people in an effective way. These are all very important. How you start with is very crucial. Okay, so if you get to know all the techniques or tricks of how to be an effective communicator, or how to speak in public, or how to socialize in public, if you master all these skills, you will be a good communicator. You will be easily able to speak English fluently and confidently. So many times just knowing everything is not important. If you know things, you have to apply it practically to know the results. So the first situation is we don't know anything. Now we don't have ideas on how to improve our effective communication or how to improve our communication skills. That is one thing. So if you are in that category, start reading these books to get ideas and tips, tricks and techniques. Once you master this or you get to know about all these things, the second step is the practical application of all these things. Once you know everything, if you have knowledge, you start applying that knowledge in actual situations. Once you start applying that knowledge in actual situations, then you will get to know whether it is working for you or not. So practical application is very important, guys. Start reading these books, gain knowledge on this, see what is going to help you, and start applying it in your speaking. And once you know what is helping you, start doing it. Start using it. Start applying it. Start using those things and you will see a lot of difference. So that is why reading right or listening right or practicing right is really important in your English fluency journey. This will help you in making your journey easy, simple, and you'll be able to speak English fluently and confidently in no time. So that is why reading right, listening right, and speaking right is very important. And I focus on all these three things every single day. So guys, that's a wrap for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.